10. Do you ever feel like your heart is racing? Consider this. A hummingbird's heart can beat over 1,000 times a minute. That's more than 16 beats per second. Imagine the energy it takes to keep up with that rhythm. 9. Picture the tallest mountain on Earth. Most people would envision Mount Everest, standing tall at 29,000 feet. But if measured from base to peak, Hawaii's Mauna Kea, mostly underwater, is actually the tallest at over 33,000 feet. 8. The Sahara Desert, known for its scorching heat, was once a lush green area. About 9,000 years ago, it was home to large populations of people and wildlife. Talk about a climate change. 7. Speaking of deserts, Antarctica is technically the largest desert in the world. Despite its icy conditions, it qualifies as a desert due to its low annual precipitation. 6. Can you guess what is the only letter that doesn't appear in any US state name? The answer is Q. From Alabama to Wyoming, every other letter finds its place. 5. Ever heard a language that doesn't use an alphabet? Chinese, one of the oldest languages, is based on symbols or characters, not an alphabet. Each character represents a word or a meaning. 4. On the topic of languages, Papua New Guinea holds the record for the most languages spoken in a single country. With over 800 languages, it's a melting pot of linguistic diversity. 3. Dolphins and humans have more in common than you might think. Dolphins, like humans, recognize themselves in the mirror. They are among the few creatures that show signs of self-awareness. 2. The Eiffel Tower, a marvel of architecture, grows taller in the summer. Due to the expansion of iron in the heat, it can grow by up to 6 inches. And finally, the most fascinating fact. 1. The longest time between two twins being born is 87 days. Yes, you heard that right. The twins were born nearly 3 months apart. So there you have it. 10 jaw-dropping facts about our world, from the heartbeats of tiny birds to towering mountains beneath the sea, the diversity of languages and the self-awareness of dolphins. Not to forget the expanding Eiffel Tower and the longest interval between the birth of twins. Our world never ceases to amaze, does it? Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering.